In 2014, I sold my beautiful motorcycle because the drone I wanted was $2,700. I had just started working in the roofing and solar industry and continuously climbed these tall ass roofs. One thing the Army taught me was thinking outside the box. So I devised a plan to buy a drone and use it instead of climbing roofs. It was a smorgasbord of hardware and software to make this thing work, and the setup was cumbersome. But now, almost 10 years later, we've come a long way. I mean, take a look at this thing. It practically flies itself, and it's very small. Welcome to today's video about how drones have significantly impacted the solar and roofing industries. $2,700, that's how much I spent on my first drone in 2014, not including additional peripherals and accessories to improve my experience. But what I got from that drone was phenomenal. Almost as phenomenal as you hitting that subscribe button. Let's talk safety first, because nobody wants to play Humpty Dumpty on a roof. One way to assess a roof is to climb up ladders, navigate slopes, and basically become tightrope artists. But now, drones can do some of the risky work. Less time on a roof equals fewer chances for accidents. And who doesn't love a 2-for-1 deal? Drones offer speed and accuracy. Imagine scanning an entire roof in the time it takes you to make a cup of coffee. Yep, that is how fast drones work. The gains in efficiency that drones offer lend themselves to the savings of money and the creation of opportunity. Consider this. If you want a roof assessment conducted of your property, you'd be hard-pressed to find a reasonably priced roofing company who'd put the data together for you at a fair price. With drones being commonplace and significantly more advanced, DroneQuote can meet the demand for roof assessments at an affordable price. Not to mention the value of this data should you ever need it during an insurance claim. That level of data was available before only to the most prudent homeowners tracking their roof condition and walking on the roof regularly. Now DroneQuote's network of drone pilots mobilize to easily airdrop you some knowledge about your property like never before. Now get this, when I first got into drones, just about anybody with a lot of money or a motorcycle to sell could buy and fly a drone. And even more could go out and crash one. Fortunately, the roofing industry now benefits from a more legitimate approach requiring pilots to have FAA certification, which also introduces insurance requirements that protect consumers. It's nice to see how far the drone industry has come in the last 10 years, and I look forward to what's in store for drones in roofing and solar in the future. In the meantime, what if you hit that subscribe button? DroneQuote out.